How to wrap text in Excel. Have you ever had this problem? The text falls out of the size of its cell, and this gives you serious problems. If you want to see how you can solve this problem, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel that we want to edit. I will choose blank Excel. I will write something in one of the fields. As you can see, the text falls out of the cell frame. One way to get it back is to expand the section. Also, if we expand either by row or by column, it is not the result we wanted. To break this text into several lines, we will open the home section. In it, we will find an icon that looks like this. When you click on it, the text will be broken into several lines and will not fall out of the field. That is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.